going, guys? Welcome to 808 Craps here at Planet Hollywood, playing on their crapless craps machine. Crapless craps, $5 minimum bet. They got the all tall and small bets over here. 31 payout for the low and the high, and 156 for the all. $500 in the machine. Let's get a pass line set up and let's go. Alright, we got a 9.
9. Mark number. Single the field. The point is 9. Please place your bets. The field is alive at the 9. Feel better, anybody?
And we're all set up. Let's go, baby. 9 again.
Please place your bets.
That was the point.
Come on, roll. We're moving up.
11.
It's time to place your bets.
Let's go 3 on all the hearts. And let's go 3, 2, 2. Alright, 127 working. Let's go. 6.
6, easy 6. Down behind, no field.
Let's go.
It's time to place your
5 on
bets.
the inside. $1 left. Let's go 3 on the 4 and 10. Alright, 153. Alright.
9er, down behind, single the field.
Alright.
It's time to place your bets.
Take 4 and 10 and 10. Press up our inside by 5. Press up our 3 and 11. Take our 2, 3, 11, and 12 to 5 each. And $1 left, I'll throw that on hard 6. Alright, let's go. 5.
Place your bets.
Alright, so we're gonna go 10 on the inside. $2 left, let's throw it on the hearts. We're at 230. Come on. Not again.
Place your bets.
Alright, let's see what we're gonna do now. Let's go ahead and take up our 2, 3, 11, and 12. 10. $40 left. 40 on the inside. $1 left. Throw that on the hard 4. 286. Let's go. 5 back to back. 3 5s in a
Place your
row.
bets.
Alright. Pressing up inside again. 10 each. Let's take the 4 and 10 and 20. And let's bump up our hearts to 5. Got $6 left. Let's throw that on hard 6 and hard 8. Come on. Hard 5. Oh man, 5 again. 4 5. 4 5s in a row, man. Alright, let's clear the rack. See what we got. We're at 435. We're gonna go ahead and regress. We're gonna do one roll just to get past that one roll. Yeah, look at that. That's 6 5s in a row, man. 6 5s in a row. 5 across. Let's go. Put $1 on top of all these. And yeah, there we go. Alright, let's go. 4.
4, easy 4. Single the field. Hard 4 is down.
Bump up these.
Please place your bets.
2. Done. Let's put all our hearts. 2, And let's go. Well,
It's time to place your
$2
bets.
on the 12 made 11 bucks. Gonna bump up the 6 and 8 to 10. So $1 on the 12. Back to back.
It's time to
$3
place your
on the
bets.
12 made 16.50. We're gonna take our 5 and 9 to 10. $6 left. Let's throw it on some hards. And we're all set up. 76. Easy.
6, easy 6. Down behind, no field.
Put our hard 6 back. $8
It's time to
left.
place
Let's
your
put
bets.
4 on the 6 and 8. Let's go. Five coming back. Alright, this is what we'll do. We'll go ahead and take that up. Start power pressing all the numbers. Whatever number hits, we're going to double it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go off one roll. And then from there, Alright.
8. Down behind,
Alright,
no
guys.
field
Time for
8.
power pressing. Let's go.
Place your bet.
4.
4, easy 4.
Alright.
Single to
4
field.
is going to
And
go
4
to
is
10.
down.
Put my hard 4 back.
Place your bets.
And we're going up. Let's go. 2.
2 craps. Come away. Double the field.
Go to 4.
Please
You
place
know
your
what?
bets.
Instead of that, I'm just going to put all of
Combat
that on
field
the
bet.
4.
All the hard ways are
All of that on
available.
the 4. Let's go. Sorry, the 2. Alright, 5. 5 is going to 40.
Please place your bets.
Leftover change. We're gonna bump up our hearts again. $4 left. I'm gonna throw that $4 on top of the 10. Alright. 11 point.
Please place your bets.
Alright. Okay. I'm gonna keep 400 as our baseline here. I'm gonna keep 400 as our baseline. Whatever this number right here goes, that's what we're working with. So I got $5. Last one was 11, so I'm gonna press that up. 10. All right, 10.
10 on the other end.
10.
Down behind,
I'll put a hard 10
is down.
and everything else is gonna go back on the
It's
10.
time to place your bets.
Alright, 10 to 21. Let's go. No, I guess
7
not.
out
There was
7.
7.
Line away. Warm beer,
Well.
cold dice.
Lost
It's
158
time to
on that
place
last
your
roll,
bets.
but hey, not bad. Still made profit. $300.
Come out
First time
there.
playing
The
the
less you
crapless
bet,
craps
the more
machine
you
here at
lose
Planet
when you don't
Hollywood.
win. Let's
Gave
shoot
it a
the
shot.
dice.
Not really a fan of it, but you know, first time's a charm, right? I mean, it worked out in the end. $300. All right, sounds good. Session's over. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.